Good morning! Today is day 3. So any changes, brother, that na napansin mo? It's time to say it.
Medyo nagsa-start na yung sa tummy ko. Medyo nagsa-start na ako mag-constipate.
Constipation is starting.
Pero hindi pa naman ganun kagrabe. Nakita ko lang yung changes sa physical appearance.
Physical appearance ng
Poop ko.
Okay, so changes are happening with how the stool looks now. Apart from that, magana pa rin kumain, eating well, and in the photos and how I see it, mukha pa rin siyang rejuvenated, mabinto-binto.
Gagawa ko pa
Seems
naman
healthy.
din yung daily routine ko. Pagkagising, stretching,
You have your daily routine. What are your daily routines in the morning?
stretching early in the morning as soon as 5 a.m.
5 a.m. Okay. And then,
Then breakfast. Meds muna before breakfast din.
what medicine are you taking before breakfast?
May Zalazine, tsaka Ozo.
Omeprazole.
What are those two medicines for?
May Zalazine para sa Crohn's ko, then Omeprazole para din sa tummy din yun para hindi masyadong mag-acidic.
Yeah, acidic.
Is-
Compound in
So those two are for your Crohn's. Wala pa yung for
Yung isa hindi talaga pang Crohn's, parang binigay sila na nagbigay.
That's preparation for radiation. Okay. So looking good. 5:30 is when you start eating, and then 6 a.m. is when you stop. You
Yeah,
do your fasting. By 8 o'clock, you take your another medicine. You're taking
For
another medicine.
nausea. Yeah,
Yeah,
gonna take it
anti-nausea.
now.
8 o'clock na ba? It's 5
5
minutes. 5 minutes. So on the dot, we take the medicine. Ay, hindi lumabas. We take that medicine, and then by 9 o'clock,
Chemo meds.
chemo meds, and then 10
radiation.
is radiation. Okay. So that's basically his routine, and our routine is basically just trying to be pretty every day. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow.
Wait, ito yung body natin for today.
Yes.
It's bilhin nyo na to, limited edition to. Pang to?
Explain mo. What is it for? The
So
design,
this
the
is
concept.
because meron siyang glioblastoma
Nasa
and then
ulo.
Crohn's disease.
Yeah,
Yes!
it's blue.
Ayan.
Super cute.
Super cute, limited edition. Makikita yan sa website ni Wendell.
We call it, Glio Bear?
Leo Bear!
Si Glio Bear. Ayun. Okay.
Kung may Care Bear, may Leo Bear.
Isn't she so creative,
So
guys?
cute.
Order na. Charot.